In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display dynamic content on product pages in Wix Studio using CMS. We'll start right inside your Wix Studio dashboard. Click Edit Site to open the editor in a new tab, then head to Pages and switch to the product page. This is the template that shows individual products, and it's where we'll place our dynamic content so it appears consistently across your catalog. Next, set up a CMS collection to store the information you want to show. In the left sidebar, click CMS, choose Start, then Collections. Create a new collection and give it a clear name like Team, Product Story, or FAQs, so you'll know exactly what it's for later. Add the fields you need: a name field for titles, a description field set to rich content or text, and an image field for visuals. Click Add Items, enter a few examples with names, descriptions, and images, and save. These sample entries make it easier to design confidently because you can see real data as you build. Now add a place on the product page for that content to appear. Click Add Choose Section and drop a new section below the main product content. In the left sidebar, go to CMS, select Add Content Elements, and add a rich content element inside the new section. With that rich content box selected, click Connect, choose Add a Dataset, pick the collection you just created, and click Create. This links the section to your CMS. Inside the rich content area, add a repeater so your items display in a uniform grid or list. Click Add, go to Layout, and choose Repeater. Select the repeater, click Connect, and point it to the same dataset so it automatically syncs. Delete any placeholder items to start with a clean slate. Design each repeater item to match your brand. Resize the repeater and item boxes to your preferred width and height. Inside each item, add an image for photos, a heading or text element for the name, and a paragraph or text element for the description. Keep spacing and alignment consistent so every item looks cohesive. Connect each element to your CMS fields. Click the image, choose Connect, and map it to the image field. Select the name text, connect it to the name field, and connect the description text to the description field. Adjust font sizes, line spacing, and alignment until everything reads clearly. You can repeat this exact pattern for a product story section, a FAQ block, or a team area. Each time, create a collection, add a repeater or rich content section, and bind the elements to the appropriate fields. When you're ready, click Preview to test. Open a product page and confirm your content loads and updates when you change items in the CMS. If everything looks good, click Publish to go live. That's how you display dynamic content on product pages in Wix Studio using CMS. By creating a CMS collection, connecting it to a repeater inside a rich content section, and binding image, text, and description elements to your fields, you can show personalized, updatable content for every product without changing the layout. Thanks for watching.